Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Kajabi. Now Kajabi, remember what's Kajabi? Well, Kajabi is an all-in-one platform for creators, coaches and entrepreneurs to sell online courses, memberships and digital products. For 2025, it remains a top choice for solopreneurs and small businesses. Now let's look at the pros. Number one is an all-in-one solution. So it hosts courses, you can build websites, manage email marketing, and process payments in one place. Two, it has AI-powered tools. New AI features help with content creation, email writing, and email analytics. Three, it has a mobile app. The improved app is for managing courses on the go. Then four, zero transaction fees. Unlike competitors, Kajabi doesn't take a cut of your sales. Now let's look at the cons. One, it is expensive. It starts at $149 a month when cheaper alternatives exist. This kind of seems too much. The second con is that it has a steep learning curve. Advanced features can be overwhelming for beginners. And the third con, it has limited customization. It is less flexible than WordPress plus LMS plugins. So who should use Kajabi? Well, number one, course creators who want an easy integrated solution. Secondly, coaches and membership sites needing automation. And lastly, those willing to pay for convenience over budget options. Then if you think about alternatives, you don't use Kajabi. The alternatives are: one, we have Teachable, which is a cheaper platform and is simpler. We also have Podia, which is better for memberships, and lastly, Thinkific, which is more gives you more customization. So what's my final verdict? Well, Kajabi is powerful but pricey. It's ideal for serious creators who value all-in-one simplicity over cost. If you're on a budget, then please check out the alternatives I already mentioned. As for the rating, it has a rating of about 4 out of 5 stars. It is best for hassle-free course selling, but it's not the cheapest out there. So hope you found this video helpful.